अपनी समस्याओं के बारे में बहुत संकोची है. He is very reluctant to talk about his problems. He is very reluctant to talk about his problems. हम सबको मिलकर यह समस्या हल करनी होगी. We all must solve this problem together. We all must solve this problem together. I don't understand. यानी मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I don't understand. Can you help me? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? How old are you? यानी हम उम्र पूछ रहे हैं. How old are you? तुम कितने साल के हो? I am 12 years old. मैं 12 साल का हूँ. I am 12 years old. यह निर्णय मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन था. This decision was very difficult for me. This decision was very difficult for me. मैंने इस विषय पर कई किताबें पढ़ी हैं. I have read many books on this topic. I have read many books on this topic. यदि तुम चाहो तो मुझे समझा सकती हो. If you want, you can explain it to me. मुझे यकीन है कि वह इस बार सफलता प्राप्त करेगा. I am sure he will succeed this time. हमें अपनी गलतियों से सीखने की आवश्यकता है. We need to learn from our mistakes. उसका आत्मविश्वास उसे हमेशा आगे बढ़ाता है. His self-confidence always pushes him forward. अगर तुम कड़ी मेहनत करो तो तुम्हें सफलता मिलेगी. If you work hard, you will achieve success. If you work hard, you will achieve success. तुमसे मिलने का इंतजार बहुत दिनों से कर रहा था. I have been waiting to meet you for a long time. I've been waiting to meet you for a long time. मुझे उसकी सलाह बहुत समझदारी भरी लगी. I found his advice very wise. वह अपनी मेहनत से सफलता की ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचा. He reached the heights of success through his hard work. He reached the heights of success through his hard work. Next, कभी-कभी चुप रहना भी सबसे अच्छा जवाब होता है. Sometimes silence is the best answer. Sometimes यानी कभी-कभी silence is the best answer. Next, मनुष्य अपनी सोच से ही अपनी दुनिया को आकार देता है. A person shapes their world through their thoughts. आकार यानी shape. A person shapes their world through their thoughts. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठकर योग करता हूँ. I wake up early in the morning and do yoga. काम से वापस आने के बाद मैं आराम करता हूँ. After coming back from work, I rest. क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? मैंने अपनी माँ से कुछ पैसे मांगे. I asked my mother for some money. I asked my mother for some money. वह अपनी किताबें पढ़ने में व्यस्त था. He was busy reading his books. तुम कब तक ऑफिस पहुंचोगे? When will you reach the office? When will you reach the office? आज मुझे जल्दी सो जाना चाहिए. I should go to bed early today. I should go to bed early today. क्या आप मुझसे कल मिल सकते हैं? Can you meet me tomorrow? Can you meet me tomorrow? वह जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करता है. He tries to wake up early. He tries to wake up early. तुम्हारी मदद से यह काम जल्दी हो गया. This task got done quickly with your help. This task got done quickly with your help. हमारे पास कुछ समय है. क्या तुम घूमने चलोगे? We have some time. Will you go for a walk? मैंने बाजार से कुछ जरूरी चीजें खरीदी. I bought some essential things from the market. आज बहुत गर्मी है इसलिए मैं घर पर ही रहूंगा. It's very hot today, so I will stay at home. तुम्हें अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. You should take care of your health. You should take care of your health. कल हम पार्क में खेलने जाएंगे. Tomorrow we will go to the park to play. कल हम पार्क में खेलने जाएंगे. Tomorrow we will go to the park to play. तुमने वह संदेश सुना जो मैंने तुम्हें भेजा था? Did you hear the message I sent you?